That hit our region is now churning up the East Coast, paralyzing our neighbors to the north with blizzard conditions and coastal flooding.
Correspondent Kenneth Craig is live in Boston, where people there are bracing for up to a foot of snow. Hi, Kenneth.
Well, good evening to you. Make no mistake, it has been a rough day here in Massachusetts, even for hardy New Englanders. As you can see, the snow is still coming down. It has been pounding all day long and really just has not let up. Waves crashed over the seawall in Scituate, Massachusetts Thursday as a powerful storm brought snow, wind, and coastal flooding to much of the East Coast. Forecasters say New England could end up with 1.5 feet of snow. In Worcester, Massachusetts, postal worker Ryan Toscano braved the elements to deliver the mail.
It's not a good day to be out there.
In Boston, the snow came down fast, up to 3 inches per hour. It's not just the snow that's the problem here in Boston, but this brutal wind, gusts of upwards of 50 miles an hour in some places.
It's slippery, very, very slippery. I know a lot of friends of mine that are out shoveling have already fell and twisted their arm and landed and hit their head or something. Yeah, they're out of the game already for the day.
On New York's Long Island, where wind gusts have topped 60 miles per hour, few drivers were on the road.
Passengers on track 7.
Some Long Islanders opted for the train as snow blew onto the platform. The snow also caused accidents on New Jersey's highways, and visibility was a problem in Connecticut. And while millions deal with this misery, they were playing in Savannah, Georgia, a day after it snowed there. And what's really been incredible here in Boston to watch all day long is really just how quickly all of this snow has come down. Right now, we've got about 12 to 14 inches on the ground here in the middle of the city right now. And as you can see, the snow has not stopped yet. Jessica Yuki.
And Kenneth, we saw in your story the winds. We're getting a lot of that wind down here in Philly. Is it still doing that there in Boston right now?
Well, and you can see it's picked up a little bit right as you were asking that question. I'm actually protected by a kiosk that's in the middle of the park to protect us from some of the elements. But yeah, the wind has been crazy today, 50, 60 miles an hour in and around Boston. And then when you get to some of those coastal communities, they have reported wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour. Those are hurricane force winds. You couple that with all of this snow and the situation, the conditions outside, a really messy and dangerous situation for really hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people.
Absolutely.
No doubt about that. Kenneth Craig in the Boston area. Thank you so much.